Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening, it's finally time to go back to Flesh and Blood, a box of The Hunted. So without further ado, let's see what we get. And as is tradition with Flesh and Blood, it's not the latest set. We are not being pirates, we are being hunted. Main reason, the boxes have become quite expensive and I always like to find them for somewhat reasonable prices, which arguably this one is not, but yeah, now you know my Flesh and Blood might be rarer on the channel here. We have a bite and an up sticks and run, a foil scar tissue. But I will not stop at every foil, because every pack is a foil. And there's 24 packs to go through. But yeah, I've been trying to get my hands on a Rosetta case, but yikes, the prices. We have a Rake Over the Coals and a Calming Breeze. I mean, I could get a halfway reasonably priced one, but it would be in German. While I understand that, that would not be very fun for everyone who speaks English here. We have an Affirm Loyalty and our first Majestic, a Jagged Edge. Target weapon attack gets +3 power and damage this would deal can't be prevented. Lovely. How much does it actually cost? Only one. Not too shabby. On to the next one we go. Let's see what we get here. We get a Fire and Brimstone and a Power Stance. And that's it here. I still love the paper packs, paper packaging, I guess I should call it, because it just works. We have a Flurry Stance and a Whittle from Bone, and that's it. Magic tried to do paper packs once too. That was a complete failure, because you could open them, take cards out, and yeah, among others, they would also just shuffle around and then be damaged out of a fresh pack. We have a Compounding Anger and a Cut Through, and that's it here. So now Magic went back to the regular plastic. Next pack. We have a Blade Beckoner Plating, a Display Loyalty, and that's it here. On to the next one we go. And we get a Silver Talons, a Relentless Pursuit, and a foil Up Sticks and Run. On to the next one. Let's see what we get. Get a Cut Through, a Twist and Turn, and an Orb Weaver Spinneret. I think in the past I also announced the color, but I don't think that matters much. At least an opening. On to the next pack we go. Where we have a twist and turn, an Orb Weaver Spinneret, and that's it. On to the next one. Where we have a cut from the same cloth. Our next Majestic, an Anaphylactic Shock. And that's it here. Let's see. Not the tokens. We don't care about the tokens. We care about a bubble to the surface and a Silver Talons. On to the next one. Let's see what we get. A Razor Reflex reprint from, was it the Welcome to Wrath? I think it was. Or the second set. Memory. And also a Whittle from Bone. And, aha, I have Rainbow Foil Majestic Tarantula Toxin. With a very humble foil effect. On to the next one. With an Art of the Dragon scale and up sticks and run. And that's it here. On to the next one. With a March of Loyalty, a Majestic Long Whisker Loyalty, and another Majestic Douse in Runeblood. What a cool art. And that's it here. On to the next one we go. With a Diced and a To the Point and a Syndra Drakai of Retribution in the grown-up form. Most of the Majestic heroes sadly carry no worth. Legendary heroes on the other side. That's where you wanna be. We have an Art of the Dragon Fire and a Diced. And we have our cold foil of the box. It's a Heart of Vengeance. Once again, it's still very difficult to capture on camera. So you just gotta believe me. Or don't. On to the next pack we go. Where we have a Bite and a Pursue to the Pits of Despair and a foil Dragon Power. On to the next one. Let's see what we get. We get an Orb Weaver Spinneret, a Sound the Alarm, and a foil Calming Breeze. And a drop of Dragon Blood in foil. instead of a token. Interesting. On to the next one. Where we have a Dragon Power, Tuber Point, and that's it. We still have 4 left to go. Oh, only 4 left to go. It's all about perspective. We have a Dragon Power cut from the same cloth. And that's it here. Third to last pack. We have a Twist and Turn. Hunt 2 VNs of Wrath. And that's it here. Second to last pack. Let's see what we get. We get a Stains of the Red Back, an Up Sticks and Run, a foil Twist and Turn, and that's it. Now, on to the last pack of the box. There's gonna be 2 more where that one came from, so look forward to that. We have a Tuber Point, a Cut Through, and that's it. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I shall be seeing you in the next one.